In this video, we are going to see how much heat energy a resistor is producing. We are going to derive a formula for it. So this is our resistor, and if you know about potential difference, is that if a resistor is connected to a circuit with a battery, there will be a potential difference which is denoted by V. Cool. And if you know about potential difference, that is basically potential difference is energy lost or gained per coulomb, and we can find potential difference. So yeah, so basically to give a gist about it, you can say that basically, let me just write this. Okay, we can basically say that this electron going from this to here through this resistor might have lost 5 joules. It's not lost, by the way, because energy can't be lost. Energy is transferred to something else, and where it is transferred to, let me give you a gist about it. Energy is transferred as heat. As you see, when electrons are going on a collision course with the other atoms in the wire, because there are other atoms, it will collide with other atoms, therefore like transferring the electron's energy to the atom and making the atom wiggle like this. It's wiggling, and so that's energy is now producing a wiggle. So like that, that same electron will being in a collision course, producing a lot of wiggling and losing a lot of energy. So at this point it will have a very less energy than here per se. So therefore energy is being lost as heat. So energy lost is basically heat energy. So we know energy is being lost, that is now heat. So we can say by changing the volt potential difference formula from V is equal to energy by charge to heat energy by charge, because the energy is being lost, and energy lost is heat. So as you see, 5 joules, 10 joules, 100 joules, million joules, whatever joules, that is now heat. Whatever joules we find, that's now as heat. Energy lost is heat. So from that we see that V is equal to H by Q. From that we can easily find how much heat is produced by a resistor by just saying V times Q is equal to H. So voltage times charge is equal to heat energy produced by a resistor. That is amazing. By just looking at, like, analyzing that, we just found how much heat energy is being produced. Now this formula can be in different variants, okay, by substituting Q and V. By substituting Q for IT, because Q by T is equal to I, and Q is equal to IT, we can substitute for Q, that's like replacing Q to IT, so VIT is equal to H. Alright, we can similarly do that for V, as V is equal to IR from the Ohm's law. From Ohm's law we can substitute for V as IR, we can get I square RT is equal to H. And similarly, doing your Ohm's law, we can find this formula as V square by R T is equal to heat energy produced. So with these relationships, you can find heat energy produced, and these are helpful for solving problems for how much heat energy is produced by a resistor. And with knowing resistance, time, current, you can find it. So that's all for heat energy produced by a resistor. Such a simple topic. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.